Good day everyone. I am Kent Eral Coronel and today I'm going to report my assigned topic, which is the province of Basilan. Basilan. Basilan is an island province in the Philippines located in the Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao or ARMM until its abolition in 2019. It is now part of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao or BARMM following the ratification of the Bangsamoro Organic Law. So here's the map of Basilan. And the next is basic facts. Basilan includes as follows. So the capital city of Basilan is Isabela City. Isabela City. Isabela de Basilan is a melting pot of diverse traditions, from the colorful ornate fabrics of the Yakan in Lamitan to the golden mosaic of Santa Isabela Cathedral in Isabela. The city under the administrative jurisdiction of Zamboanga Peninsula or Region 9. Next slide, we have here the list of municipality in the province of Basilan. Akbar, Albarca, Haji Muhammad, Ajul, Haji Mutamad, Lantawan, Maluso, Sumisip, Tabuan Lasa, Tipo-Tipo, Tuburan, Ungkaya Pukan. Language they uses. So here's the language they uses in Basilan. Chabacano, Yakan, Tausug Sama, Cebuano, English, Filipino. So I will use the word I love you. So how do you say I love you in Chabacano? It is Taamo yo contigo. And then Yakan language, how do you say I love you in Yakan? It is Mabayak ko sikaw. Tausog Sama, I love you in Tausog is Kalasahan takaw. In Cebuano, gihigugma ko ikaw. In English, I love you. In Filipino, mahal kita. So here's the culture of Basilan. Yakan culture. Known for their intricate weaving, the Yakan people produce colorful textiles that are not only practical but also serve as cultural symbols. Music and dance are integral parts of their cultural expression, with traditional instruments like the kulintang and agong playing central roles in celebrations and rituals. Next is Tausug influence. The Tausug people contribute to the cultural diversity with their own traditions, including martial arts like silat and a strong heritage of poetry and oratory. The next is Chabacano presence. The Chabacano-speaking community adds Hispanic flavor to the culture, particularly in the capital, Isabela City, where Spanish-based Creole language and practices are evident. Here's the traditions of Basilan. Weaving. The Yakan weaving tradition is renowned for its elaborate patterns and vibrant colors. This craft is often passed down through generations, maintaining its cultural significance and aesthetic value. Next is music and dance. Traditional music using instruments like kulintang and agong accompanies many cultural events. Dances often tell stories of local legends and historical events. Next is festivals. Basilan hosts several festivals that celebrate its cultural heritage, such as Lami-Lamihan Festival, which showcase Yakan culture through music, dance, and crafts. Beliefs. Islam. The majority of Basilan's population practices Islam, which influences many aspects of daily life, from social customs to architecture. Religious observance like Ramadan and Eid al-Fitr are significant events. Christianity. There is also a significant Christian minority predominantly Roman Catholic, whose beliefs and practices contribute to the island's religious landscape. Christian festivals like Christmas and Holy Week are also celebrated. Syncretic practices. In some areas, located beliefs and customs blend Islamic and indigenous elements, creating unique syncretic traditions. Next is values. Community and family. Strong family ties and community cohesion are central to the social structure in Basilan. Extended families often live close together and community support is crucial in daily life. Respect for elders. Elders are highly respected and often play key roles in decision-making processes within families and communities. Hospitality. Hospitality is a deeply ingrained value with visitors often treated with great generosity and respect. Resilience and adaptability. Given the challenge faced by the province, including conflict and economic hardship, resilience and adaptability are highly valued traits. The people of Basilan are known for their ability to overcome adversity while preserving their cultural identity. Next is top 5 most visited tourist attraction or destination of the Basilan province. Malamawi Island, known for its pristine white sandy beaches and crystal clear waters, ideal for swimming, snorkeling, and sunbathing. The island is a popular spot for beach lovers and offers a serene environment for relaxation. Next is Lampinigan Island, famous for its picturesque scenery and coral gardens, and popular for diving and snorkeling, providing visitors with a chance to see vibrant marine life. Last is offer opportunities for picnic and beach activities. Basilan National Park. Located in the central part of the island, this park is known for its lush forests and diverse wildlife. Ideal for hiking, birdwatching, and nature walks. Home to the Bulingan Falls, a beautiful waterfall within the park. Fourth is Kalugusan Beach, a scenic beach known for its long stretch of white sand and clear waters, perfect for beach sports, swimming, and picnics. Next is offers a tranquil setting for relaxation and family outings. Fifth is Santa Isabela Cathedral, located in Isabela City. This historic cathedral is a prominent religious and cultural landmark, known for its beautiful architecture and scenery atmosphere. Last, it serves as an important place of worship and a site for cultural events and gatherings. Last is give one sample most well-known folk or festival of the province. So, Lami-Lamian Festival is one sample of most well-known folk or festival of the province. First is cultural celebration. The festival celebrates Yakan culture and heritage, showcasing traditional music, dances, and crafts. Next is vibrant attire. Participants wear colorful and intricate Yakan traditional costumes, adding the festive atmosphere. Third is culture performances. Various performances, including traditional dances and music, are central to the festivities. These performances often depict local legend and historical events. Fourth, handicrafts and weaving. The festival features exhibits and demonstration of Yakan weaving, highlighting the intricate and beautiful textiles that the Yakan people are known for. Fifth, food and cuisine. Local delicacies and traditional Yakan dishes are available, offering visitors and taste of Basilan unique culinary heritage. And the last, community involvement. The festival is a time for community to come together, fostering a sense of unity and pride in the cultural identity. Thank you and good day, ma'am.